Now that we have our image gridded, we are going to grid our paper. You should have a paper in front of you that is approximately 10 by 14, and if you will remember, our image was 5 by 7. So the math kind of looks something like this. And that's how we came up with the size for our paper that we are going to then recreate part of this on. So now that we have this larger piece of paper, how are we going to get this image enlarged on our paper when it only has 5 boxes going across the top and 7 going across the side? We want to keep our proportions the same, so we only, also on this piece of paper, want 5 boxes going across the top and 7 boxes across the side. So how we are going to do that is, instead of measuring every 1 inch, we are going to measure every 2 inches. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 for the top and the bottom of this piece of paper are what you want to be marking. Then I will mark the same 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 at the bottom of the page. Again, applying pressure to the ruler so that it's not moving around, and using the longest lines directly behind the number, or in the case of 10, in between the 1 and the 0. So now I should have 5 marks at the top of my page and 5 marks at the bottom of my page to reflect the 5 marks I have on my image. I'm going to go ahead and connect those lines. Make sure that you are applying pressure to your ruler so it's not moving around, and pushing your pencil against the ruler for a nice clean edge. Now we're going to measure this side, which on our image is 7 inches long, so we have 7 boxes on this side. Because there are 7 boxes on this side, we want to make sure that we're making 7 marks on our piece of paper here. Making marks at 2 inches all the way up to 14. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. We're going to do the same thing for the bottom of the page. And then connect those lines. And there is our completed gridded paper.